Chairman of Narsimhareddy Engineering College, Sri Jakkula Narsimhareddy Garu, Treasurer Sri Jakkula Trilok Reddy Garu, Secretary Sri Jakkula Trishul Reddy Garu, and today's chief guest Dr. Narayan Swami Garu, and guest of honor Ramurthy Garu, special invitees Chamundeswari Garu and Pavan Kumar, Director Javatas Healthcare Services, other dignitaries on the dais, respected parents, dear students, good morning one and all. On behalf of management, staff and students, we are extending warm welcome to all the first year students and parents to our Narsimhareddy Engineering College, and we are extending all the best and congratulations on choosing our prestigious institution Narsimhareddy Engineering College. As a principal of this institution, it is my responsibility to share the credentials of our institution. There are learned parents are there. They know well about how to measure an institution. But there are some parents who came from rural background. They may not aware of either the parents or the children, are we in the good institution? With the reference of their friends, with the reference of their neighbors, or with the reference of some sources, they might have joined in Narsimhareddy Engineering College. But on the first day, they should understand what are the credentials of the institution, how it is executing various academic, curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities of the institution. Today is a very, very important day for the students as well as parents, because all our deans, director, HODs and in charges will explain about various important aspects. But at nutshell, I would like to share the most important aspects of our institution. Let us start with our institution got autonomous status in the year 2020 from UGC, Government of India. Before going to attain autonomous status from UGC, institution has to acquire basic thing, that is institution must be accredited by a NAC, that too with minimum of B+ grade. We are proud to say that Narsimhareddy Engineering College is accredited by National Assessment Accreditation Council with A grade. And all our UG programs, computer science, electronics, electrical, civil, mechanical, all UG branches are accredited by National Board of Accreditation, 2 times some branches and 3 times some branches. It is very proud. So, for the parents who are not aware of what is this NAC, what is this NBA, let me explain in a simple example to reach every parent and student. To get job in any government sector, the minimum qualification required is degree, any degree. Likewise, to start an engineering institution, certain parameters is laid down by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. If the institution meets that, infrastructure, library, faculty, resources, etc., institution will get the accreditation approval, we can run the institutions. But to prove that we are much better than the basic institutions, what are the things required? If anybody having post-graduation, we treat them that this fellow is much more knowledge than degree fellow. So that indicates our NAC. And if anybody got PhD after PG, then we can consider that this is a very eminent professor, eminent personality, very strong knowledge in domain. That indicates NBA. If we fulfill these two things and institution completes minimum 10 academic years, those institutions are eligible to get autonomous. So we have NAC A grade, NAC grades the institutions based on their credibility. A, B, C. C lower grade. If it is D means the institution is not accredited. C low grade, B average grade, A and A plus top grades. We are top grade. So your wards, your children are in good top institution. You be comfortable. We are here to take care of all your children's dreams, your dreams. In addition to this, I would like to present some of the most important aspects. Institution got 2F and 12B status from UGC, Government of India. What is the importance of 2F and 12B? Institution is permitted and accorded approval from any national body to get the research funds, either for the students or for the staff. So we got the recognition. And Ministry of Education initiated a organization called IIC, Institution Innovation Council. This Institution Innovation Council, based on the research, based on the various programs conducted in institution, they will give the star rating, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. IITs will able to get 5 star, but we are proud to say that our Narsimha Engineering College got 3.5 star rating from IIC, MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. In addition to that, performance of institution is a direct indicator of performance of our students. We strongly believe that the performance of our students are the performance of Narsimha Engineering College. For that, I would like to present very brief major achievements of our students. Let us start with, because I would like to say that our institution got host institution status from MSME, Government of India. MSME means micro, small, medium enterprise. It is and works under Government of India, Ministry of Education. So this, why we got host institution status from MSME means, in hackathon, this as per the directions of the central government, this MSME conducts hackathon challenges across the nation. All the institutions can participate. Students and staff can upload the ideas. Based on the performance of the institution, they will give host status. In the Idea Hackathon 3.0, our institution got 2 ideas got selected from our students. We are very happy. Please extend a big round of applause to our students. Those students got 15 lakhs, 30 lakhs of grant from MSME to develop the prototype to convert into business model. I would like to read out the names of those students, those 2 students. In Idea Hackathon 2.0, 2 students, Mr. B. Jaswant from CSE and Mr. Jagadish from ECE. These students got selected in an Idea Hackathon and 30 lakhs of grant. In last year, MSME Idea Hackathon 4.0, another student by name, Mr. K. Srivardhan from EEE department, his idea got selected and a grant of 15 lakhs has been approved from MSME. Because of the achievement of our students, our institution got host institution status from MSME. We are very proud of our students. Not only this, it is my privilege, it is my responsibility to share the major achievements of our students. 354 students got NPTEL certifications from IITs and IISc. What is this NPTEL? National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning. It is offered by IITs, top IITs and IISc Bangalore. In India, if you name the #1 institutions, IITs. Our students, second year students, registered for IIT NPTEL courses offered by IITs, and they have gone through the subjects. We are very proud to say that from the only second year students, 354 students got certifications from NPTEL. In these NPTEL courses across the India, all the parents, all the staff and students has to register and they can get certifications. We are very proud. And 712 students from third year, 712 mandi third year students, they underwent internship from various industries. For information sake of the students and parents, they got internship from ISRO, DRDO, Bell, Transco, etc. In nutshell, because the eminent personalities across the pan-India are on the dais, we would like to share more time for them. It is very much useful to all the students. 72 ideas from various students and staff submitted to Idea Hackathon. This year, Idea Hackathon 5.0, 70 students are uploaded. And 67 students got global certifications. And Harshavardhan Raju, CSE, Cybersecurity got task I4TS Hackathon selected. And P. Karthik and team, CSE first year, got second prize in 24-hour hackathon conducted by Anurag University associated with Computer Society of India. And Harshavardhan Raju, CSE, got fourth prize in IIT Madras. We are very proud to say that our student got fourth place in IIT Madras conducted in a technical symposium. And Raga Harshita from first prize got in National Technical Symposium conducted by JNTH Hyderabad. And Umas Ravya and Ramachandran got third prize in state level conducted by VJIT. And Sravanti and team got best paper award from Computer Society of India. Vishruta from first BTech got first prize in South India Powerlifting Championship. At our institution, not only academics, we encourage even cultural, sports, everything. And Laharika from just now, you have witnessed the wonderful performance of the traditional dance. Laharika from first BTech ECE, she got her performance recorded in Guinness Book of World Records. Dinesh Kumar got Best Outstanding Volunteer Award from Computer Society of India. So these are the major achievements of our students. There are n number of achievements are there about the institution as well as our students. But because of time constraint, I cannot take more time because more eminent personalities across the pan-India are available on the stage. Their sessions, their message is much more important to all the parents and students. All the best. Thank you.